Is your compound wall enough to keep you safe? No, it's not. In this video, we are going to be talking about a product, the razor blade coils, which adds additional layers of security to your property, keeping you and your family safe. Nowadays, it's not uncommon to hear stories where unauthorized people have entered into the property and steal stuff or even kidnap children, or in some worst case scenarios, even murder people. So here is a product, the razor coils, which helps to prevent all such things from happening. So what makes this razor coil really so effective? Firstly is that the blade of this coil is very sharp. The minute this coil is put up and people try to come near it, they see the sharp blades, and this is a very strong psychological deterrent. The second thing is that this coil has a spring kind of an action. So in case anybody tries to cut the coil or tries to cross it, there is a strong possibility that they can get entangled into it. And the third thing is that the diameter of the coil is almost 2 feet, which makes it very difficult for anybody to kind of encroach and come inside the property. So because of these three factors, it's a very high security item which secures the property. So coming to the technical specifications, so there are 5 types of blade. So first is the small blade, second is the medium blade, third is the long blade, and there are also tear blade and fishhook blade in it. The second aspect of the razor coil is that the dia. So you have these available standardly in 1.5 feet dia, 2 feet dia and a 3 feet dia. Apart from this, you also have the zinc coating on the wire. So the thumb rule is 10 GSM gives you approximately 1 year of life. So a 30 to 40 GSM coil will give you roughly about 3 to 4 years of life. A 100 to 120 GSM coil will give you about 10 years of life, and a 275 GSM will give you about 27 plus years of life. Apart from this, in case you want a life higher than that, what you can do is you can powder coat this coil, where the life will dramatically increase. As you can see over here in this case, you can see there are 3 different coils. One is powder coated orange, the second is white, and the third is green. Now let's come to the installation. Installing this is not easy. It requires specialized skills because it's a very sharp blade, and there is a high risk of injury happening to anyone who tries to install this. So while installing, a specialized skill team is needed, and they need to wear very thick gloves so that they don't injure their hand. And also you need some kind of special tools to kind of tighten the straight line wire, because it is very sharp and it is not possible to pull even while wearing the gloves on. Now look at some of the common applications of this particular coil. The first application is in factories. Now it is fairly common in a lot of factories where there is theft of raw materials such as copper or iron, which gets stolen and pushed to the other side of the boundary. So by installing this, the theft can be stopped. The second instance where this is very commonly used is in gated communities. Particularly you have children who are playing in the play areas. So after installing this coil, it becomes very difficult for an outsider to kind of climb the wall and kind of come inside. The third place where this coil is very commonly used is in villas, particularly high-end villas. This is to give an additional layer of security to the already high compound walls that they have. And in order to give it a greater security, what some people tend to do is they add multiple layers of the coil. So as you can see behind, there are 3 layers of coil. So the higher the number of layers, the more is the difficulty in terms of trespassing. This is also very commonly used in police stations and also in jails and also in hostels to prevent people from climbing up on the wall and going to the other side. Now let's look at how to place the order for the coil. So the first thing that you need in order to know how many coils you have to order is you need to calculate your boundary length of your property. In case you don't know the boundary length of your property, you can watch this video. This will help you in a step-by-step fashion to help you know the length of your property boundary. Once you know the boundary length, you then need to calculate the number of coils. You can now calculate the number of coils based on the table that you see here. Now that you know the number of coils that you need, the next thing you need to calculate is the number of angles that you need to install. The standard spacing between 2 angles is 3 meters or 10 feet. But in case your compound wall, the pillar distance is say 12 feet or 14 feet, you can even increase the distance between the 2 angles. So this is how you calculate the cost of your angle. And the second is this is how you calculate the number of coils. Also keep in mind that you also need to place order for the straight line razor wires to give support to these coils. The one coil comes in a standard length of about 100 meters. So you need to again calculate the number of coils you would be needing, and you can also place the order for the Razer wires using the link below. Hope you found this video useful, and in case you are not clear with regards to what is the dia of the coil to be selected, what GSM of wire to be taken, feel free to call us on the following number, and feel free to subscribe to our channel, like and subscribe to the video so that we can come out with more such educational content for you.